Mga sisi ko, welcome back to my new vlogs. Nandito kami ngayon mga sisi ko sa Ecom Furniture. Mag-check kasi kami ng mga equipment sa bahay namin. Ayun, ang gaganda mga sisi ko. Sisi ko, nandito kami sa furniture shop. Mag-shopping kami. Maghanap kami ng additional equipment sa bahay. Meron sila dito mga baking. Mga bago pa, ha? Dobre? Later, check ko dito. Punta muna kami sa taas. Punta kami sa furniture. Ang ganda ng furniture nila, mga sisi ko. Style. There's a lot of home decor here, mahal ko. Yeah, let's go. I love this color. Maybe next time.
Maybe something like that.
I need this?
Something like that to cover yourself during the winter. When
Yeah,
it's cold.
that's good.
Yeah. Let's get you. I'll buy it.
I also have give to you.
Cold? You want a napkin?
I have. Oh, this one is good.
Yes. I'm very interested in the lights.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. 4,000 Kelvin. Who is 4,000 Kelvin?
Mm-hmm. Papalitan kasi namin yung lights. Easy ko.
No, it's different here.
Papalitan namin din yung sopa namin.
Have legs like from wood.
Ito same ng sopa namin.
No, it's not the same.
Is that the same?
It's similar though.
Similar. Okay. Ito mga sisi ko. Parang bet namin ito ng asawa ko. Sa
No, don't like this. It's too small.
It's too small.
Small.
Yeah.
But it's nice color, right?
Yes, nice color, mahal ko.
But it's not the same color. It's darker shade. I think it's darker.
Do you have photo?
Yeah.
We just need to buy the same color as our...
Yeah. See, it's
Ah,
darker shade.
it's
It's
darker
the same
shade.
idea, but darker shade. I need to
Ah,
get it.
you're so smart, mahal ko, to bring the sample. I just
Like
need...
this more.
Ayan, mahal ko. This
Yeah,
looks
this one was
nice.
perfect.
Yeah, this one is good, mahal ko.
Uh-huh.
Check the color if same. I think it's not. It's more dark.
No,
It's
the
not.
same
It's not
one.
the same. Check it.
The same one. See?
Oh,
Okay.
it's not.
Okay, it's not the same, but it's similar.
Mga sisi ko. Bet ko siya.
But better. But it's like I just want to make it. How much is it? It's just too big, man.
It's too big, mahal ko.
I don't think we can fit it with your computer there.
Yes, because I have study table.
Uh-huh.
It's not fit. Don't think for now because, we still have to make it first before buy that kind of things.
I believe.
Oh, this one is
something like
cute, mahal ko. Yeah. Mahal ko, it's so cute. I love this
I bet.
this style.
But good, but
It's nice. Aesthetic.
remember we have a bedroom there.
Yeah. And also kids things. Oh,
If you have a baby at some point, you need to renovate everything.
that's true.
The problem is it's already built for the family, right?
Yeah, it's already built. Okay, don't think about that. Let's make baby first, mahal ko, before anything else. Excited yung asawa ko, nagtitinginan, wala pa nga. Gawa mo na kami bago bumili ng mga ganito.
Look like makeshift.
Yes.
I don't know. Okay.
Nakakasawa yung asawa ko, mga sisi ko. Nag-check na eh, wala pa nga. Gagawa mo na bago pumili. Para sure ball. Mahal ko, let's check the bed sheet.
Okay. Just check whatever you like.
Mm-hmm.
These are Italian, I think.
Yeah, it's look nice. Also dito mga sisi ko yung ganito, oh. Floor mat. Ito. Also yan dito. Bet ko yung mga ganitong style. Meron na kami yun sa bahay eh. Oh, it so look nice, mahal ko. I love this.
What is it?
Candle.
Mm-hmm. You can check it. Yeah.
Siko.
Okay, I'll check it. Something you watch whatever.
Okay. Iwanan daw ako ng asawa ko. Mag-check ako. Ito yung kasayahan natin mga asawa. Magta-try ako mag-bake ng cake, pero hindi marunong mag-bake ng cake. Pag-aralan ko siya. Mga wooden mga sisi ko. Dito naman kami mga sisi ko. Mga sisi ko sa kitchen. How much, mahal ko? Yun na mga sisi ko. Ganito yung sa amin. Pero hindi ko kulay yung bed nito.
See, our table is probably 2011.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 2011. Sisi ka, maganda yung style. Aesthetic. How much?
14,000.
14,462. Oh my gosh. So it's the same price for sure. Our furniture is also the same. I think they bought here too.
No. Yeah, see, let's see how the island is. Just down and just 3,000.
At least we already have.
My God, they give a lot of money for it.
Mahal pala pagpapalitan namin yung style ng kitchen namin. Dito naman kami mga kids. Kids section mga sisi ko.
Okay, this is nice.
It's so nice. Office stuff.
I like it, yeah. It's nice.
I love the style. But it's old style. Noble.
Ah, here is what you're looking for, Marco, and also the color of the flooring.
This one that I told to you, Marco.
Yeah, it's nice.
This nice.
Nice touch.
See? Just only 139 leva.
This is our
How about this 139 leva?
for 39, Marco. This is only the mattress.
How much
There is
is?
a retreat
Ada.
mattress. This is only for the drawer, and this is for the bed. Not 1,000.
Oh, it's like 1,000 plus almost there. But not bad, mahal ko.
Not bad. 1,400.
It's good for 2 kids.
Okay.
Yeah, it's look nice. Sisi comfy. Pero the color is not good for me. I want white or black. Or maybe that, mahal ko.
Cheers. Maybe this one, the green one. I don't know.
Ah,
No,
it's not.
This is the best. This is see. From
Yeah. Ito yung gusto ko sisig, mga sisig kong ano,
Yeah,
table, para sa
can you try one?
study. How? Is it working?
it is. See,
Oo, siya yung mga sisig ko. Bet ko to.
you can move it, Marco.
Kaya, pwede
Move
siyang,
down, up.
pwede siyang up hanggang dito mga sisig ko.
Okay.
Ayan, namumove siya. Ayan, maganda sa computer ko. Tapos, pwede siyang ma-down. Oh, nice. Mahal ko, I want this color.
Yes, yes.
But it's too big. I need one, just only 100 by 60. It's not ito mga sisi ko. Nasa 6th floor na kami. More on bedrooms. Ang siya lang. Yan ang ano, cabinet. Kaso yung size na hinahanap namin hindi dito available. Sisi ko tapos na kami. Hinahanap namin na cabinet hindi available dito yung size. Siguro sa IKEA na lang kami mga sisi ko.